You know what Yuko and I have discovered?
What?
Discovered to nahi. Discovered is a crazy word. Was something
Figured out.
our imaginations have ran to an extent.
Oh yes, this is a brilliant theory that we've come up with.
I don't know which one you're talking about.
We're talking about the male nips, right?
No.
What?
No.
Oh shit.
No.
No.
It's
Oh,
not
my
about
bad.
that.
Let's get to that
My bad.
later.
Yeah, we'll get to that later.
Interesting.
You guys
All in good time.
have you guys heard that new AP Dillon song?
No.
Yeah.
How does it go?
Which
The
one?
Shinchan tune, no?
I don't know about that.
What is it?
Jana mein Shinchan hai. And the song is also like the same thing.
थोड़ी सी दारू मेरे अंदर something
That's his dad's
Thodi si dar
motto.
maine andar pee li.
Shinchan's dad.
नहीं, but don't you think when he was in the studio recording it, like थोड़ी सी दारू मेरे अंदर जा गई, something like that.
आ गई.
What is it? आ गई. हाँ, थोड़ी सी दारू मेरे अंदर आ गई. He must have been like, that's a one flower he's kept here.
Yeah, like a cutie.
No, he was like just goofing around the studio, like थोड़ी सी दर अंदर आ गई.
This is the theory?
Yeah.
I like the male nips theory more.
Yeah, tell me
Yeah,
about
I
that.
think we should get to the male nips.
Male
theory.
nipples. Male nipples. The other day we were sitting and Yugo out of nowhere goes like, bro, like what is the functionality of the male nipples?
Yeah, it's I think around 2 at night. I was just wondering what is the utility of a male nipple, you know?
Why were you thinking about this at 2 at night?
Just as you do.
As you do, yeah. as one does, you know?
I mean, the
about
mind
male
wanders
nipple.
and, you know,
Yeah.
start thinking about stuff.
Yeah.
Then I was like, bro, have you ever gotten your nipples sucked? And then he started laughing. I was like, bro, it makes the hair on the back of your neck stand. And then we were like, okay, what is the utility of the hair on the back of your neck? So we went down this complete spiral.
Yeah.
The utility of your nipples is to make the hair on the back of your neck stand.
Yeah.
Correct.
That's
Correct.
that's
Correct. This is a good theory.
This is decent.
Fair.
Better than the AP one.
No, but you know the actual science of it.
No.
So we like
Even we
naturally
don't.
we had to ask ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
So apparently everyone's born like your default state is that of a female. Then around like 8 weeks when the chromosomes like come into play, if you're a man, that's when they don't like nothing happens.
Right.
And then you start growing a dick or whatever. Otherwise like everyone is flat only from the start.
Mm.
And then if you have the chromosomes later on, like if you're lucky. wait,
Can
lucky-
someone fact check this?
Lucky is crazy.
Yeah.
If you're lucky.
Lucky is crazy.
Nahi, nahi.
What about the fat boys then?
They are not so lucky.
उनके भी बड़े होते हैं भाई.
Oh, but सबका
I was gonna say if you're lucky they'll turn into tits, but that sounds wrong.
Yeah.
But if you're lucky they don't turn into tits also sounds wrong.
Yeah, the word lucky should not be in this conversation at all.
Depends where you're born or not born.
Or not born.
Yeah, you're only.
though.
Like if
Male breasts are very interesting.
most places it doesn't matter.
Male breast.
Yeah.
It's called a chest. Young man.
I have one fat friend hooked up with this girl once, and he he told me that she did her part,
Excuse me.
on his nipular area.
She motorboated him. She did it to him.
She didn't motorboat
वो
him.
क्या है भाई लड़के भी करते हैं.
Yeah, equality is important.
She asked him,
She
Oh,
asked him,
"Can I suck on those?"
suck on those breasts.
Oh wow, what a progressive lady this guy.
Yeah, very progressive. Progressive
So
couple
sweet
as
of her.
a whole.
I love it, man. I'm glad this is where we're heading as a species.
Yeah.
As a society.
Role
As a
reversal.
As species.
Role reversal. Yeah, but that's the thing, bro. I've
Yeah.
like I think it's becoming more and more
Yeah.
common.
Would any of you all get pegged?
Meg,
This is just escalating now.
Yeah,
Where is this conversation
taking
going?
it up a notch.
I don't know.
I didn't.
The notch has gone into our backside. So
it's going up your backside.
I would notch.
you're not taking it up a notch, you're taking it up the ass.
I didn't peg you for a guy who would ask this question. Is that even how you
I'm
say
just
it?
throwing it to the friends
The
I have in the room.
Yeah.
Bro, it depends honestly.
from the number of drinks you've had.
No, I think you'll need something way stronger than mere alcohol for that to happen.
Yeah, you'd have to be like
But
Roofied
bro,
with.
when you
horse tranquilizer.
think about it now, like these people who've been with the same woman for like 30 years. At some point, though, you must be like, bro, we've done everything now.
Kuch naya.
Yeah, that's like the forbidden bhi nahi, that's like
Forbidden
the
fruit.
Forbidden
that's
shoot.
what he calls his ass.
Hey, my ass is going to be untouched.
Totally gonna be
His ass
pegged.
is sealed shut.
There's only one way out. No entry.
It's like a theater parking का
It's a one way.
entry gate and exit gate.
इंडिया में वन वे पे लोग क्या करते थे? रॉन्ग साइड डालते हैं भाई.
Without you realizing.
मेरे सिग्नल पे ट्रैफिक पुलिस खड़ा है and he will not be bribed. He will not take no. He will take no for an answer. Yeah.
He will not take no for an answer.
He'll say no.
Joke.
रिश्वत लेगा भाई वो.
Indian police always takes it.
How much? But how much
How much what?
for your ass?
Okay, let's talk about something else. Mula. Let's talk about AP Dillon.
Let's talk about something else. I'm almost convinced.
The price is not that high.
Price for the prize, huh?
The prize.
They should make like movies like that, bro. Like a love story where the girl is trying to like
Court a man.
court a man is fine.
Fuck a man.
Yeah. Like that's the roadblock between their like love. They love each other. Everything is aligning. They are in love. पूरे 3 गाने भी हो गए. They've fallen in love. Now
Climax.
climax में
He is going to.
she's like the only way this is gonna work is if you let me.
Wow.
But you know the male G spot is in the asshole.
How do you know that, young man? Have you been?
Chat GPT.
Everything you can't blame chat.
What do you think the G in GPT stands for?
G-spot?
GSPOT.
Chat G spot.
I used to think the G spot is where the homies hang.
They can.
That's what we call them. The homies.
This is such a bad conversation. We get paid to do this.
Yeah, this movie is never getting made.
Spot.
This might be the G spot.
Do you know in Bangalore, there was a club called G Spot.
Yeah, I remember.
It's not called G spot. It's a G and there's a dot
Dot.
after it.
Call it G Spot.
You've just decided to call it G-spot.
Yeah. Whew, that was a start. Welcome back, boys. This
That was a painful watch.
is gonna be painful, all right.
welcome.
क्या चल रहा है भाई लाइफ में तुम लोग के?
चल रहा है जो अभी हम चल रहे हैं ना अभी.
If people wonder why we don't put out boys episodes, because this is the level of conversation. I feel like we've been friends with too long to have like any
Basic kind
like
of.
what are we supposed to talk about? Anything of substance?
No. That's weird.
Yeah, so
No, if you know someone for 15, 20 years, what are you going to...
yeah, then this is only what you talk
The
about.
weather is nice. It's raining. Traffic hai.
Weather has been not bad
Yeah,
lately.
weather's been
It's been quite good.
Yeah.
I would
Bombay
say.
weather for
Yeah.
a change.
Yeah.
Nice breeze.
So randomly it gets windy and it's nice.
Yeah.
Otherwise the weather is so bad. Pune though fucking weather is.
It's cold, bro. over there.
It rains and then it's hot.
It's cold after that.
Cold in the night, which is fine. But then it's gross. I don't feel like going out.
You
So I
were
come to Bombay, I like going out a lot with you all. It's become fun now.
nah, bro. I think the party boy era has come to an end.
I don't mean party boy. Even today.
Yeah, I told you. I
yeah,
told it.
so
It's not come to an end.
We went too hard, too fast. I feel like.
टू वार लौड़े अभी उधर क्या ऊपर क्या हो रहा था अभी
क्या हो रहा था?
कमरे में nothing we are just plotting our party for the next couple days
3 days.
नहीं. I think DJing has thoda put me off partying because being on the other side of the party where you're seeing everything unfold and you're like, "Chi, like I'm one of them." No disrespect, but like it is a
Yeah,
Bit of a turn
it's
off.
not a pretty sight. Like,
pretty. Matlab, the whole point of partying is that it's shallow. Like partying is not.
But you do it for fun. It's not shallow.
It's like a shallow kind of fun. Like it's the most shallow form of fun.
It's like an escape from everyday.
हाँ तो exactly ना ऐसा
और तू-
like it's like you've put in almost zero effort into. I mean, there's other ways to think about it. Like, you have to reach a certain level to go and be able to party and just like be, yeah. But then at the same time, it's just like you're going there drinking to a level where you're not yourself anymore fully. You've fully become someone else. And then you've seen how drunk people are.
I
you
love
think
that
you think you're not that person,
But you are that.
but you are that person.
It's like Mr. Hyde and Dr. Jekyll.
Who?
You know what that is? What the fuck?
yeah.
How uncultured
What are these
you all are,
people?
bro.
I know what
Comments,
you're talking about,
support
but this
me.
is like a really old reference.
There's this guy, he makes this potion and he has it and he turns into this monster, this crazy fucking Hulk type character. Either way, moving on, I understand
Hulk
what you're
and
saying.
Bruce Banner.
For a DJ, actually, it makes sense because he can, you know, like look at it from the outside and just scan and see कि हाँ ये लोग अभी ऐसा कर रहे हैं, ये लोग अभी वैसा कर रहे हैं. And then you get to see the degeneracy that, you know, it's just people losing themselves.
And
by
my
drinking.
problem isn't with the drinking or anything. Drinking is just a part of it. That whole environment of the club, I feel like, is a bottom tier environment to be. Like if you were to rank places like establishment, like a movie theater, a mall, this, that, a club would be very bottom.
नशा हो रहा है उधर इसलिए तो कह रहा है.
नहीं नशा तो घर पे भी हो सकता है. House party is not a bottom tier environment. I think
You're
it's a
saying
top
just
tier
the
environment.
club.
If you have the facilities and you have the social circle and the pull to have a nice house party, that means you're doing well in life. But a club doesn't require anything. You just have to be of age. Some places they don't allow stag entry. Well, most places you can pay and enter. So there is no qualification to make it to the club. ऐसा कुछ you have put in zero effort into making it happen. That's why I think my case is that it's a
Do you agree with this?
shallow.
But then even a park is the same thing. You don't need any qualification to go there.
But park is
But you
different.
go and
now,
you do nice picnics and you spend time
पार्क
with
में
your...
तू किसके साथ जा रहा है? तू
have a
इधर
nice
फैमिली के साथ
conversation.
जा रहा है और दोस्तों के साथ जा
You're
रहा
in
है.
your senses.
There's nature.
I don't know.
There's nature.
Or we don't have
Clubs
parks
pay
here.
my bills.
And there's no parks here. Yeah,
Yay, clubs.
I'm,
That's how we make money.
if I'm paid to go and play, then it's great. I mean, there's no complaints whatsoever. But I'm saying as a customer, as a person who's going.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if you're not drinking and if you just see the visuals, it's not.
Not as...
Yeah, you're kind of make the stank face.
और clubbing का कैसा होता है कि either you're going every week. It's like either you're like going every
Weekend
weekend
on weekend.
or weekend you're going to the club. That's just what you do. You go, you drink and you party, whatever, and you do it every weekend. That I think we are all in agreement that that's just not the best way to live.
I think Stewie disagrees.
Of course, oh my god.
And if you're doing it once in a while, it's okay. But then that once in a while should remind you why you do it once in a while.
Yeah, so you're saying go hard if you're doing it.
Yeah, if you're doing it, do it nicely.
That's what I usually end up doing. Like it's either a really good, like I have a really good time, and then I'm like okay, I shouldn't have
Such a good
such a good time also. Like I don't deserve that goodness.
I mean, I could be a bit biased क्योंकि हमारे दोस्त भी नहीं है ना वैसे.
हमारे दोस्त हैं।
हमारे दोस्त हम ही हैं.
नहीं, but
तो तुम लोगों के साथ मुझे क्लब नहीं जाना है ब्रो. Respectfully, y'all are not the people to go to a
such
club with.
bullshit, bro. That is such bullshit. You have if you are to go to a club, you would have the most fun with us only.
That is actually very true.
Nahi, bro.
You can, like, even if you thought ki, okay, you know what, I'm going to go maybe meet someone nice. Nobody wants to go meet new people here. It happens very rarely. None of y'all think
Yeah.
about doing that.
I don't go to the club.
Y'all will
disagree.
scheme and plot on your phones. Okay, maybe I know this person to some extent. This guy is a friend of some kind. I'll go meet him maybe. But then at the end of the day, we end up partying with each other only. Even when we have a house scene, uske baad we're all hanging out with each other only.
House में तो if we are living together तो then who will you hang out with?
नहीं,
तो
but
जाके
I
पड़ोसी
feel
के साथ थोड़ी
we
करेगा.
we go out together, but if we meet people, I feel like we pretend we don't know each other.
Yeah.
Hey, खाने में.
That's not true.
तू कहाँ जा रहा है? तू कौन
I
है?
don't know. I enjoy my friends. a
Of
lot.
course we enjoy like each other, man. We're not.
We enjoy each other.
We enjoy each other's
even
company.
even when we're like, let's say we're dabbling with like different friend circles or like social groups or whatever.
They suck.
There's a bit of camaraderie like from at a distance also that you have with those guys, because you like see them get a drink, you give them a bit of a nod, you go.
So what's
grab a
your
cigarette.
point?
My point is that if the space is shared with people who have a bond like this, it's automatically nicer. This is my opinion.
हाँ बट तू कितने बार करेगा? वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, ये
But
बार
we
बार नहीं
haven't
कर
done
सकते.
it.
नहीं
lot.
बार बार नहीं करने का.
I
don't
need
believe
an
in that.
agenda. Like if
हाँ,
you're
I
going
agree.
out, like if you're going out for a gig, there is an artist that you want to see. That's the agenda. We've gone there to enjoy that music. In the meanwhile, you're drinking, doing whatever, enjoying. एक कुछ तो central agenda चाहिए that where if you're going out for a New Year's party, you're going there because it's New Year's and it's an occasion. You know, at 12 there's going to be a countdown, then you're going to party. That's the occasion.
We reached
Stepping outside of the house with no agenda, just going to the club,
Yeah, I agree.
hoping for a good time is usually not a good time.
Yeah. No, this I
You can't
I think
chase a
everyone
good
is
time.
in agreement.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've learned that.
Chalo.
Next
This
topic.
was a great episode.
I had to fully stopped wanting to go to like
But you
bars
have
or
your
clubs
phases,
in a like for years until I think
Same.
now only. Until maybe a couple months back when y'all kind of encouraged me to.
Clubs are fun in different cities where
You don't know anyone.
those cities are for partying. There are party cities. So if you go there and you go to the club, there's going to be a lot of people who've come there to party. Here, where you're living in a city which is like a metro city and most people are just working and employed, they're going to clubs to escape. So the energy is off, I think. But if you're going somewhere,
Not every club.
you're on vacation, it's fun. Everyone's on vacation, so everyone's in that mood.
The energy is shared. Yeah, that makes sense.
Tell me one club you've been to where you've been like, fuck, this club is sick, I had the best
Never.
night.
Literally never.
Trying to think.
Like, I never cared
As
about
a,
going
not
again.
as a DJ, huh? As
Yeah,
a
thinking from a
as a
consumer
patron.
perspective.
As a patron.
Patron. Like I've never gone somewhere and been like, हाँ मेरे को यहाँ वापस जाना है.
एक जगह था मेरे को बहुत पसंद आया. I was like, I'll come back here.
yeah,
Then it just
We went there too often after that.
Which one?
no, it's a different place I'm talking
Okay.
about. But no one went there after that.
Oh yeah, correct.
This
That one
this
also.
one night.
Yeah, it was a great time.
We
Good.
went there.
It was
the
a
next
one-hit wonder,
weekend.
bro.
Oh,
And we were the
fuck.
only ones there.
That place was horrible, bro.
Yeah. But the last time we went was
It was
just like a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So anyway, this is just ये तो चलता रहता है. I thought we should talk about it because I think a lot of people who watch this also are
You know, living
like
their
in the
life.
place where they're like, what do we do for fun?
Yeah.
I wonder what I feel like people in the comments can tell us कि क्या करते हो भाई weekend के time पे when you have nothing to do, because I think there's not much.
Yeah, no, think back at things we used to do. We used to play football more, and we used to
We were also so much younger.
It would be sport or like
something
some sort
physical.
of like a road trip or something.
No, once we did like one random board game night. We used to do board game nights.
Those are fun.
करना चाहिए अभी भी मुझे लगता है. I feel like there's
Turning so old, bro. Play
some other
Scrabble
things
now.
we can do.
Yeah.
Bro, there's that when we were in Goa last time, I went to do a workout with like 2 of my friends, and we were hanging out while working out.
Yeah.
I was like, this is like a lot of fun.
Yeah.
You're barely even talking to each other. But
And just in each other's
yeah,
presence.
you're just there. Everyone's doing, and everyone's feeling good about themselves because they're at the gym. I think the older you get, you want to do things which also make you feel good about yourself.
Pragmatic value ढूंढ रहे हैं ना.
हाँ.
Like my time waste नहीं होना मांगता है इधर. Does he go to some shit club like that place? Fucking hell. bro. Go there and
Because there's some level of guilt that comes with clubbing.
It does. Like if you go and it's a bad night, you're just
Yeah,
like, bro,
bro.
why did I go?
और तुम अगले दिन
Days
एक तो मैसेजेस देख रहे हो बैंक से जो आए
Debited.
debited.
it was so
Hate that
expensive.
shit, bro.
And I was so fed up. I was like, you know what? We're here. I might as well do it. Maybe the good time will come.
It never comes.
Never comes.
We had to leave.
Yeah, it started raining. Fuck.
Yeah, that night was quite lame, no?
No, we had fun.
We had fun.
See, if I've gone out, I'm gonna have fun.
It's like it's owed to him.
Yeah.
Whether she likes
वसूली
it or
करता है
not.
भाई.
Whether she like it.
She is not.
She
involved
won't
in
like it.
conversation. She will love it.
On most occasions.
I've been having this. Who was I talking to? I was talking to Krishna today. Like, if you have a significant other, do you like going out with them, or would you rather go out without them?
Ooh, such a tricky spot.
Shouldn't be, na? But
Yeah.
that's the problem. The fact that you have to think about it.
Why is that tricky? If you have a partner and you
No,
love this
break
Bro,
it down,
but what
break it
happens
down.
is, who's gonna break it down?
We
Break it down.
We made
You've never been in a long-term relationship,
Yeah,
So what? I've been with people that I thought I've liked.
but break it down.
Nay, I'm saying it doesn't make sense to me that if you say you like someone or love someone, how is it weird to go out with that person?
I didn't say it's weird. I was like, do you want to,
Do
or
you
do you
want
not?
to, or do you not
Then
want?
of course you'd want to, na? You love this person. You want to spend as much time as you can with this.
But then you're never going out with your boys again.
Why is that a
ठीक है.
like a fight?
Extreme
We're giving
hypothetical.
him.
I would like to do both.
Okay.
Saturdays are for the boys.
Nahi, so see,
Friday it's date night with people, always.
so date night
Always.
isn't going to be at the club.
Always.
Date night is not going to be at the
Date
club.
night will be a nice dinner and then maybe a like a fun gig maybe somewhere. Something
gig.
like that. Yeah.
I don't know, man, because
Like,
like,
some live
Some
music.
stand up or something.
No, stand up nahi. I'm funny.
because like if you're going for, like, if she's invited you with her friends,
Okay.
that's just like a nightmare.
See,
like
that is, you know what that is? That's her friend's interview of you. It's like a
nahi,
group-
you know each other. Everyone knows. You know her friends.
past that.
सब हो गया है.
सब हो गया है.
सब हो गया
You've
है.
been with this girl for a while.
हाँ, आगे गया ही नहीं ना.
तो वही तो बोल रहे हैं ना हम.
I
That's why
can't
you
comprehend,
can't
like-
comprehend this.
Okay, you guys talk about it.
Over to y'all.
Because her friends are never going to be as fun as your friends, and her friends are usually annoying.
They're usually
You gotta give
not.
it a shot maybe, right?
We've been
You
unlucky.
give it a
Give it a
shot.
shot.
We've
Yeah.
been
We've-
unlucky. We've not found women who have
Who have
nice
fun
friends,
and also nice women.
who are cool to hang out with, who are interesting.
That's true. And I've only always been with girls who are younger, so their friends are just stupid.
Pause.
Yeah.
Younger than me.
Yeah. No, I get that.
Yeah.
No, I've to be honest, they have had nice friends, but I've never felt the urge to go and try and make something happen with that. Plus, usually it's the guy who's leading, right? So then you end up planning things with your guys only.
Yeah, but then that's also like,
Yeah.
I mean, it's fun and all for everyone to get along and hang out. But if she comes and she has a good time with y'all and she thinks y'all are good people, then I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with you? That this you think like
You think these people are
my
fun?
my goal is to move up in life. और तू भी आके यही कर रही है मेरे साथ. We are still sitting in the same living room.
Turn into a
Now
chutney, bro.
Now you want to have your cake and eat it also.
No, I just want to have some cake.
Every once in a while.
कुछ तो भाई. Because I think we spend too much time with each other, so it would be
Yeah.
nice to have like a separate group where you can like kind of escape and go and like chill with them, and they also should be nice.
Yeah, fair.
But you're not going to find a new group now at this
You
age.
don't want to find a new group. You just want to like do more things,
Things.
other than with
Yeah,
each
like you want to have a reserve squad also. Like every summer you want to play like a friendly.
Yeah.
Nay, so see, we all like other things. Like you like, what do you like? Is there
Tell
anything?
what do
that-
you like?
You guys don't have hobbies
We have hobbies. We just
apart
don't,
from going to the gym.
we just don't.
No one has hobbies.
I have.
What do you have? I don't know how.
What is your hobby, chal?
I like making music. That's my hobby.
I like listening to music.
ये क्या है भाई?
तो
I like
बोल
playing
सकते हैं.
music.
Exactly.
That's not a hobby. Yeah.
Playing music is also a hobby.
You're
I
not
like
doing it in your
seeing
off time.
music.
We're doing it in our off time
No, you're
also.
not.
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what my hobby is.
I like
Video
going
games
on,
would be
I
one.
like going on treks.
When was the last time you've gone?
A year
I'm going
ago.
on a bike ride soon, so that'll be one of my hobbies.
Hobbies.
Yeah, I'm getting back on the bike, guys. Don't worry.
Oh shit.
Don't worry. Don't worry. It'll be
wear a
fine.
helmet?
I will be safe. I will wear all the stuff,
Protective
Pads.
gear.
and I will drive slowly.
Yeah, I hope so.
तो फिर क्यों चला रहा है भाई?
थोड़ा मजा आएगा यार.
कैब में बैठ के जा.
I want to get over that. थोड़ा fear is still there. Either way, going back to the hobbies.
Yeah.
That's actually fucked up that I don't have any hobbies.
Yeah, bro.
No one has. That's what
My
I'm trying
hobby
to say.
is
नहीं अगर
If I'm single, my hobby is like DMing girls.
That's not a hobby.
very sad.
That's
It's very
a
sad. Cut this
sick-
part out.
That's a sick habit.
Pasha. No, but even if you not having hobbies is fine, but not having a will to want to do something fresh or new, maybe that's where there's the problem.
नहीं will है bro. For him, I think he's
अरे will है तो वे है भाई. Will
हाँ.
है
he's busy
तो
with a
वे
lot of shit, man.
है. तेरा lawyer बन के आ गया.
He's being.
नहीं, you are busy. We all are
It's
busy.
all good man right here.
But yeah, I feel like time should be made. You know.
Yeah,
to
that's what we're doing now.
spend
Now we are taking time to go out and drink.
I might start boxing at some point soon.
Oh, I'm actually starting like
Where?
training very soon though.
Where?
Boxing.
Oh, with
in
who?
Pune.
In
With
Pune?
Kevin.
Pune.
Kevin is gonna train me.
You live in Mumbai.
The whole thing.
But I'll like go train couple of days a week and then come back.
I'll go.
I'll go train.
आँख मार के क्यों बोल रहे?
आँख मारा मैंने. I'm gonna go fucking train for 2 days in Pune and then I'll come back.
Why are you looking at me like that? मेरे को मारने आ रहे हैं क्या ट्रेनिंग के बाद?
We all should do a boxing match.
'Cause
both of
I
us.
thought you were queuing up the announcement.
नहीं. I
Putting
won't
up the
box.
announcement.
I won't box
Fighting,
you.
I mean.
I don't have a reason.
You have.
नहीं. Give me a reason, I'll box you.
ये इधर YouTube का बॉक्सिंग सीन हो गया इधर इंडिया में तो यू विल नीड अ रीजन और टू गो फाइट समवन.
I mean, there needs to be a story. You can't just fight someone for no reason.
I've been really wanting to
YouTubers.
fight.
How do you sell the fight?
Huh?
क्या हो गया?
How do you sell the fight?
You sell the fight. Yeah, you need a story for sure.
No, isn't the point that you all have an audience anyway? The fact that the fight will be sold.
They
no,
need to be invested.
but they also
bro.
need to be invested. Now, why the
What
fuck would
is
they see you get your ass beat
क्या
or
हो
beat
गया?
If I
someone?
see all do some like that fake beef shit like these American guys do, I'll get damn cheesed off here.
Cheesed off.
We'll fight you only then.
You should fight me.
You can try.
I can fight. I can take him on easily.
That day, him and Pasha both tried to beat me up.
I have a video of that.
You have a video, you should send it to me. I'll post it.
You fucking tapped out. Don't forget.
Yeah, sure.
You
दोनों
tapped
की
out?
गांड मार दी bro.
You tapped out?
Fucking
He
butt
tapped out, bro.
You tapped out. You tapped out.
हाँ बस.
It's like Jay tapping out Gunther.
You should go to Thailand and learn Muay Thai
That would be cool.
instead of like going to Pune to learn boxing.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll go to Goa
Go
and
learn something good for once.
Organic
कुछ तो कर भाई लाइफ में. क्या चुत्यागिरी कर रहा है?
okay, you want some? Baby.
Put him through the table now.
नहीं, I'll go to Goa and learn surfing though. That's been
Ooh, dude, I'd
Good
be
luck.
so down.
Good luck.
yeah.
When I come at you,
Yeah.
you go
You
like
don't even know how to swim.
surf away.
You
He
know.
doesn't know how to
He doesn't know how to swim.
I don't know how to swim. Why the fuck would you know how to swim?
You don't know how to swim still?
नहीं
He doesn't know how to
तू you live on land or water.
Harry, but what if someone puts you in the water?
Why will anyone put you in the water?
What if there's a
Tsunami आया तो.
सुनामी आया तो कुछ तैरते तैरते निकलेगा क्या सुनामी से?
हाँ मतलब your chances of survival तो
Chances of survival are a lot higher.
We'll go from 0 to 1.5.
चलेगा ना.
I'm good.
Zero is like death.
हाँ ठीक है.
1.5 you are-
चलेगा मेरे को.
Bro, if there's a
It's a
tsunami,
nice life skill to have.
But it's a good skill to have.
You keep quiet. You don't know how to cycle.
So what do I need to do
His
with
last
cycling?
post is him in a tube.
you don't know how to cycle.
I just learned the
Bro,
bike
what's up
directly.
with, like you guys not having like basic ability.
Basic
क्या है
life skills.
I directly went to the scooty. I was like, fuck this.
But फिर cycle तो आ ही जाएगा देखो.
अभी try नहीं किया है
ability
मैं.
थोड़ी
It's all
है
about
ये.
balance. Swimming is considered a right, is it not?
It is a life
Swimming is
skill
a
to
basic
have.
need.
Yeah.
You also don't have basic abilities.
Like what?
Doing of something.
नहीं नहीं but कुछ तो होगा जो तेरे को नहीं आता.
Basic? I don't know.
Like holding a stable relationship.
He doesn't know how to do it. He doesn't know.
Hey, एक second.
मैं मेरे बीवी बच्चों के साथ बैठूंगा तू पूल में बैठ.
He'll be swimming.
Two laps.
I'll be surfing, man. I'll be happier.
Where is Yugu uncle? He's in the pool.
You go, uncle.
Hey, man. Don't.
No, I get it, but swimming I should learn at some
Yeah,
point.
I should learn how to-
I can't
You
drive
need to learn how
also.
to drive also. You don't.
Fuck.
Even you don't know how to drive.
But who driving? Bro,
Yeah.
there's 1,000 people who can drive for you.
तेरे शॉपर
अरे
पे
but
बैठे
what? वही तो ना. We have to
गाड़ी
drive.
तेरे को आता है ना मजा गाड़ी चलाने में, चला गाड़ी.
I do like I enjoy
चला
driving. That's different.
We
but-
both are like the designated drivers.
Yeah, no, that's fine. That's like I don't mind
Shut up
driving.
and drive.
Bro,
Shut up and drive. Kick you out the car. How about that? Huh?
Now find your way now.
I'll call a fucking Uber.
Yeah, in
In
Goa,
Goa.
where you'll call.
Goa.
nahi, I'll tell you, I think swimming is more important because swimming, matlab, there is some use to it. At least you go in the pool, you can swim, or you go on the beach, you can swim. It's fun.
It's fun.
Driving is like I've crossed the age where I needed to drive. I don't need to drive ever again.
No.
Yeah.
So I feel like I don't.
It's the best thing, bro.
Where-
Try driving once.
But why?
Like
How
then you'll
will-
start enjoying driving.
But it that way, though, anything you can start enjoying.
What if your girl wants to go on a nice
Yeah,
road
what if
trip?
your girl wants to go on a
Road trip.
long
She's
drive?
saying,
She's like,
"Baby,
let's go on a
come,
road
let's go. Let's
You
go."
take her.
तू चला ना गाड़ी.
Nice road trip. Road trip. Why?
It's so much fun.
I
You've
will
seen
never be
the-
with a girl who likes that kind of inconvenience.
Road trip.
If there is a flight, we will take it.
क्या बात कर रहा है, bro? Road trip में वो मजा नहीं आएगा.
क्यों आएगा भाई?
Yeah, road trips are fun, but I
Like think about driving around
being
in
the
Goa.
passenger.
First of all, I have motion sickness.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Since when?
Bro, if I read a text message when I'm in the car,
Such a turn off, I must say.
well,
The girl says, let's go on a drive. यार.
No, I have motion
थोड़ा
sickness.
Baby, I'll feel sick, you know.
why can't the girl drive in this situation?
No,
Because
Girls
girls
can drive you, man.
she'll drive you
they'll
crazy.
drive you crazy, bro. All of them.
सबको गाड़ी खरीद के दूंगा भाई, तू चला बस.
Yeah, that's also fine. She can drive.
Yeah.
She'll crash it.
I don't know, man. I have my driver's license.
No, I'm joking. I know very good female drivers actually.
I have.
Name two.
My aunt Preeti Tai, my
Preeti
friend Sanjana.
Okay.
I got more also.
Maybe they can teach me. I have a driver's license test in a month.
तू ले रहा है लाइसेंस?
ले रहा हूँ.
License.
अभी
तो
लाइसेंस भी
लेने
ले
का
रहा है.
अभी लेना पड़ेगा ना.
Yeah, मैं तो
license.
पैसा भर के लाइसेंस ले सकता है, bro. It's very easy.
Boy.
Yeah, I will not be doing that.
You go through the right legal system,
Yeah.
which will do you justice.
You also got a license, no?
Yeah, I have a license. I know how to drive.
That tells you about the Indian
That shows you.
Indian legal system.
Bhai, I don't know if I should say this.
I'll say that.
not that. I'll tell you my driving test.
हाँ, tell her.
So you get in the car. ठीक है. I've had like a 1 month training with.
You've done the training.
I've done the training.
Okay, okay.
ठीक है. But वहाँ पे जब test होता है, there's a uphill thing.
हाँ हाँ.
And then he asks you to stop the car.
Yeah.
It's like stop the car. हाँ बंद कर दिया मैंने. उसके बाद चालू
going
नहीं हो
back.
रहा है भाई. It's going back. I'm pressing the brake. Nothing's happening. It's going back. कुछ तो करके मैंने ये किया. वो कुछ तो लिख रहा है. उसका गिर गया.
क्या गिर गया?
Note पे whatever. Some pad he had. It fell. And he's looking at me. And then after the thing happens, I hit a cone also. Something. Everything. Just the worst fucking test. I'll ever
And you
give in my
passed.
life.
Pass.
And then गाड़ी रोकता है. He looks at me.
Judges you and passes you.
ऐसा देता है आणि सर से आई वडील आता मोठे झालेत ओल्ड झालेत तर मलाच गाडी
He'll
चालवायची
say they won't live too long with this driving.
He said, अरे मी करतो ना पास
500 काढ.
नाही nothing he said do one thing do another round of training I'll give you your this thing license but go back and train more
तू practice कर जरा.
and next morning nahi, but like a few days later I crashed my car in the parking.
His dad got a new car.
ऐसा
I'm hanging out with him in the afternoon because we have nothing to do.
Yeah, it's like
We were
big
like
losers in
losers and we were broke and we had nothing to do. And then he's like, मैं तेरे को drive पे लेके चलता हूँ. He takes me to his parking, gets the key from up.
I show him like ये देख नया गाड़ी
नया गाड़ी बैठता है. I'm sitting outside. I'm waiting outside for him to remove it. This guy switches the car, tries 2-3 times to switch the car on. I was like, then I started having my doubts.
bro I love it when
तो चालू
he
हो
had,
गया.
like, full confidence
I was excited, bro. फिर ऐसा 2-3 बार हुआ. वो बोलने वाला था कि भाई maybe let's not do this. चालू हो गया. निकालने को गया. पूरा
scraped
scrape the fucking pillar and brought it out.
यार you go यार.
I'll tell you what happened.
Then he reversed it back.
His sister is playing over there under the building. She came running. He's like, मैं बताऊंगी पापा को.
मादरचोद गाड़ी चलाना नहीं आता है भैया.
मैं बोला भाई मैं घर जाता हूँ bro.
I don't want to be a part of this.
Left me, dude.
What was I supposed to do?
Did you get hit for that?
So what happened? I explained it to my father also. in the same way.
What? Run us
Like
through
first,
that.
First gear पे डाला था ना मैंने जब गाड़ी चलते तो. And first gear पे it goes ahead. You don't need to accelerate.
I like how he's convincing us.
Right? That's how it works, right?
ठीक है, no, continue.
Yeah,
Just
continue
say
with.
No, it depends. Sometimes if like I feel like the newer cars, if you just leave the clutch, it goes.
हाँ, so that's what I did. I left the clutch
Little bit.
and I accelerated also. And थोड़ा सा घिस गया. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा नहीं. And while reversing, I scratched it more.
I knew it. You would have reversed.
I love how you wanted to park it correctly.
He's like, I'll park it exactly so they won't know what has gone wrong.
Yeah, I got a tight slap. A tight, just one, but
But that was deserved.
Fair.
tight. Yeah.
Fair.
Yeah, that's the extent of you goose driving basically.
Yeah.
And after that, you never driven.
After that, I've driven.
Driven his father crazy. I'll drive you around, you don't worry.
Yeah, man, that's why I'll never.
I was in college. One of the girls in our batch who was not from Pune. We were in Pune for college. She got her car after the first year from wherever she lives. She got it and then she came to where we were, like near my house. She was like, I'll pick you up. It was me and this 2 other girls. So I was like, oh nice, you got your car. Okay, well. She's like, oh, do you want to drive it? I was like, yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
So I mean, now it's like I'm too deep,
Too committed.
too committed to back down. So I sit in the thing, I switch it on, aside jumps. I was like, oh, I'm not familiar with this. Yeah, oh, I do it again. She was like,
That's fucked. That's
you come
fucked.
and
The
sit.
hand of.
Imagine your girl doing
Minus
this to you.
20.
And
Aura
she
point.
picked me up from my house every day for the next semester to drop me to college.
How sweet.
So sweet, yeah.
So see, you don't need to know how to drive. एक बार बस दिखाने का कि you can't drive. They'll only pick you
Take
up.
care of you then.
दिखा दिया मैंने भाई. But I love girls who like drive really big ass cars, bro. Like ऐसा Scorpio चला रही है on tiny ass car. She puts a pillow and then she's driving a Scorpio, dude. Fucking crazy.
Yeah.
I love that.
Small
Love
girls
women like
driving is crazy. With
They
the-
sit like this.
And they're fucking gunning it, huh? सही है भाई.
yeah.
I didn't remember
I was just thinking about that only.
I love that story.
I was with a friend of mine. She was
I was
driving.
there.
But you weren't in the car.
Oh, I was not in the
You
car.
were
You
in the boot, or? डिक्की में बन गया.
She was driving and we had to drop her car off just down the lane. So I told her saying I'll drive. She's like, no, I'll drive. It's my car. I said, okay, cool. I sat next to her. She's gunning it, bro. 80. She's missed her house. And I'm like, bro, this is your house. In the middle of the road, she hits the brakes. पीछे से कृष्णा आ रहा है उसकी
Done
गाड़ी
a
में.
fucking skid, bro, in the middle of the street.
In the middle of the road, bro. She's just
2 in the morning.
and then she's gone back reversed. And she's not even looking behind. And
Then
I'm
she
like, bro.
started to reverse.
And
मैं आ रहा हूँ उधर पीछे से बजा रहा हूँ मैं horn में क्या कर रही है?
Then I pulled the handbrake. I said, can you wait? I said, look behind us once. And she's like, oh, I'm sorry. Then I put the handbrake down. Again, she's reversing. Like, what the fuck is
I
wrong
got
with
out the
people,
car
bro?
fucking staring into the window like that, bro. Stupid bitch. No, I didn't say that.
Yeah, no, we didn't say that, but
Yeah, some people.
yeah, you guys need to know how to drive.
Some people don't deserve license.
This is why I don't want to know how to drive because there's people
What
like
if
this
there are
on the road.
But that's what I'm saying. Now, what if there's a situation where you're with someone like this and you have to drive?
Nahin, then why
walk.
would I would reevaluate the situation.
I will leave. I will walk. I will stay there.
हाँ भाई क्या it's I don't need this shit bro.
Yeah, man. You don't need to drive anymore.
Yeah.
Come on.
There's fucking self-driving cars. You guys are
Yeah.
just like driver बनना है तुम लोग को.
In the States, not here.
Hey, it's here.
क्या here?
It's come.
The future is here.
इधर कुछ नहीं आएगा. इधर का ट्रैफिक
आ
में
गया.
कोई
इधर कुछ नहीं आएगा.
टेस्ला आ गया इधर.
टेस्ला आएगा लेकिन ऑटोमेटिक ड्राइविंग नहीं आएगा उसमें.
It'll
In the
come.
fucking Indian traffic, how is it going to do
I
automatic
won't do
driving?
right now.
It makes no sense. It will never happen. Even if it does, it will cause a shitload of deaths.
Maybe on the highways. Or
That Elon should stay there only. There's no point coming here.
Okay.
We'll send this
Elon
clip to
should
him.
stay
Those sounds like some uncle of mine.
Yeah, but I'm being honest. Drivers don't have civic sense in this country.
They just don't.
Drivers,
Like
People
people,
who
who
drive.
people.
People in general don't have.
It all comes down to
They all
people,
fucking
doesn't it?
turn from the left side of the road, bro. Like, I all retarded. It's pissing me off.
Thinking
I
about it
apologize.
only pisses me off. मेरे को
Yeah,
पसंद
man.
नहीं है bro.
I don't
I don't
wanna
want to
deal
do anything with the driving. I don't even like cars.
कष्ट मत ले भाई तू.
नहीं
तो
bro.
पीछे बैठ
I'm
के
a
गाने
passenger
हाँ bro, तुम
princess.
दोनों बैठो पीछे बैठो हम दोनों चलेंगे.
I'm a
Get two
passenger
steering wheels,
princess.
Let them both drive.
It's like that Golmaal wala scene. Nikki,
Dicky.
Nikki,
I-
चूना लगा दिया.
When I step out of the house only, I put like noise cancellation on, no matter where I'm going or what I'm doing. And sometimes I'm not even playing anything in it. It's just the noise cancellation.
You don't want to be bothered.
I don't want to hear. It's my world. I will live in it. If I have to,
This pod
Yeah.
of his own.
yeah, if I have to interact with someone, I interact with someone. And it depends on where I am. Like a lot of places, I'll make conversation also with random people if I feel like.
The cabbie है ना.
Cabbie sometimes. Like today,
Today's cabbie was
today we
pretty
were
fun.
talking.
With the cab driver?
Yeah.
Yeah, he just puts the window down, starts abusing the rickshaw guy next to him for no apparent reason.
कुछ तो वजह होगी.
No, he
Yeah.
was his friend.
दोस्त निकला उसका.
And that makes sense. Hey, Benchon.
He was like, then we were like, आपका दोस्त है क्या? He was like, हाँ, इसने 2 शादी किया है. तो मैंने बोला अच्छा. He was like, हाँ, इसका पहले वाला बीवी गुजर गया. तो बोला ऐसा बोलना. ऐसा 2 शादी क्यों बोल रहे हो आप?
That's-
Making him sound like a bad guy.
Yeah. Just
दो
a
शादी की.
honest man trying to move on from his wife.
Is that the move? though?
Yeah, he's trying to. His wife is dead.
If your wife dies, do you marry another woman?
No, yeah.
Depends.
I wouldn't. I don't think I could.
What does it depend on?
No.
Whether you liked your first wife
Yeah.
or no. Hmm.
You need someone to protect you.
You
bhai.
need
I
help.
don't know what is going on in that little bitty head of yours. He's looking like Master Shifu also. That stash of it.
I haven't shaved in like
Should have
3
worn a
weeks.
robe and come.
He looks like Ahan Pandey from the second half of Sayyara.
He looks like this?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure he gets a better beard than this.
You guys saw the movie?
I haven't seen it.
Even I have not seen.
I've heard a
किसी
lot
ने
of
भी नहीं देखा है क्या?
We were
Well-
planning on going, but somehow
end up.
काफी लोग ने मुझे बोला अच्छा मूवी है एक्चुअली.
काफी लोगों ने उल्टा भी बोला है.
काफी लोग बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं.
I've only been seeing it on reels. People are like this, crying on the floor.
It's a
Sayyara
PR
effect.
PR stunt and all of that.
हाँ, a lot of it is PR for sure, but crazy PR must say. It's
Yeah, it's made you want to watch the movie.
Simple but significant.
नहीं हर generation का ऐसा एक picture होता है bro. I've
You
realized.
think this is it?
This is our generation का like
Our
आशिकी.
नहीं,
Is
our
Ashiki 3?
नहीं.
It's supposedly the third part.
Who said?
I heard it. I read somewhere on Instagram. Am
I
wrong?
would like to
Kuch-
watch this film and then
Isn't it
Yeah.
different production
But
houses?
this PR is much better than that retardo and dancing around.
Retardo?
That guy, bro, who was that guy who was
Who's that?
dancing?
What the fuck?
The guy who would go in the theater.
Oh yeah, that guy
he
from
did his
Solapur.
own dance. And then people,
we spoke
people
about
clapped
this.
for him.
Yeah. I don't remember.
That PR is so bad, bro.
देखना वो
People just
ऐसे
made
ऐसे
fun of
करके गोल गोल कर उसका डांस है.
Takes
अच्छा
one
वीर
lady
पहाड़ या
from the-
you're
वीर
talking-
वीर.
Takes one lady from the audience.
Fuck man, the
That was too sad, bro. That was one-
I think every generation has a sad movie that all the young people go on there. Just
Yeah,
like
they
there was Ashiki and Ashiki 2 was the
Ashki 1 was really bad.
हाँ तो Ashiki 2 was the
Ashiki
one.
2 was nice.
उसके पहले क्या था?
it's a really sad one.
Rockstar.
Rockstar.
Yeah.
Rockstar is also one of them.
was
But Rockstar
like-
was classy. Like it was
legendary.
Esoteric. Like there are लोग
Okay,
समझा
Mr.
नहीं.
Tharoor. Esoteric.
एक अच्छा कुछ शब्द कोई बोलता है इधर.
You get slandered for it. Slandered for it. bro. Just come and be a
ये
dumbass
ये
here.
इधर
bro.
आके सिर्फ 4 चीजें बोलता है. This is gay, that is gay.
This is gay, that is retarded.
Okay, Mr. Tharoor.
And doesn't shave.
Come on. Yeah. I've lost my trimmer.
Okay, that's reason enough for you to never shave again.
I'm trying out a new look.
What's
I think it's working. Something's
For
there.
whom?
for him?
The governments will judge.
What's another sad? What was sad after Ashiki?
Sad, matlab, these films are actually not even sad because most of them have happy endings. Like this one, I know for sure has a happy ending.
Ranjana.
Happy end.
Ranjana had a very sad ending. And now they've AI'd the whole ending and made it a happy ending.
Oh yeah, correct. There's an
Without
alternate
like
ending.
doing,
Yeah.
telling the fucking director or someone who like.
But how
They've
can they
really
release it
producers.
without that?
The producers, huh?
They've released it somewhere?
हाँ theater में आ गया वापस.
So they can't not tell him.
They बोला उस like before they got the movie changed, it wasn't run by the team. They just did it.
But the people who own the film did it, no? No, ऐसा randomly theater
हाँ,
वालों
but
ने थोड़ी किया.
but it's still you can't. A producer can't just fucking get up and one guy can't buy the Mona Lisa and then put a mustache on it and put him for display, na?
Well, he can. He owns it now.
Technically, he can.
Yeah.
But the whole point of the thing is gone, na? Then he can, yes, but you're looking at art. It's different there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't be all.
I know what he's saying, but
I'm
legally,
a capitalistic motherfucker, bro. So wherever the money is,
nahin.
that's where I am.
There's more than money, man.
What is there? Aisa, when it comes to like a random film, I don't care if they
Yeah,
change the ending.
You haven't
and all.
watched the movie. It's a
Even
very
I
nice.
haven't watched.
अच्छा
I
होगा,
haven't
अच्छा होगा भाई.
Watch it. Watch it.
अच्छा होगा. Or it's not like the old ending is not there. That's also there. You can.
What if they delete
It's
all?
like Houseful A and B. You can.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. None of you watched Houseful either. I heard it's a pilot dog shit.
Son of Sardar is also come again.
I heard that's
I was
also
driving and
horrible.
I saw Son of Sardar. I was like,
So that
wow.
dance move, what that was?
Oh, it's ek do. What was that?
Something.
Pehla
I-
tu,
yeah.
duja tu. That's from that movie.
Complete that
Yeah.
shit.
That's too good,
So
bro.
sad. All of this.
It's very sad.
Like मेरे को एक ऐसा मस्त like this Sayyara also. I might watch it at some point. I don't mind a movie that is just like made to
Induce sadness.
not induce sadness. Like if it's a drama, if that's the whole point. If it's like a drama, the story could be good. From what I heard, the story, matlab, ठीक ठाक story. I've had friends who watched it and they told me that this is the story. It's like, yeah, could work. But also, like the beauty of Bollywood is like super dramatic.
Yeah.
So ऐसा if it's well done, I think could be good. It's sold a lot, so I'm assuming it's decent.
We'll go.
only.
Let's give it a shot. We should go watch
Sure.
it.
I'm done.
Another sad movie I remember is Hrithik Roshan's Guzarish.
Yes.
Very sad movie.
The euthanasia.
Very sad.
movie.
Yeah, he's a magician and he's paralyzed. And there's this one scene I remember I had gone to the theaters with my family to go watch the movie. Because I was so like conditioned by Bollywood ki if something bad enough happens, the weak guy who's been put down all this while na kuch to jag jayega usme.
Oh, you thought he'll start walking again?
So I thought something would happen. Something he would be able
But he
to
like
do. And
dies.
this was very harsh scene with where Aishwarya Rai is being beaten by I think her husband in the movie. And Hrithik Roshan is just there and he's just fucking screaming.
Oh fuck that.
That fucking got me, dude. That was like, oh fuck, this is what drama.
That one I didn't care that much. I got very annoyed when that water kept
Chat all over my emotions.
No,
guy is telling you, bro.
There's another scene in which he's sleeping and then the ceiling is leaking. ऐसा
Oh, पानी
tap
गिर
tap
रहा है.
उसके
He
सर
can't
पे. And he
tell
can't do
anyone.
anything. He can just scream. And no one. And that Aishwarya Rai is getting beaten up by her husband. So that's
Two
even,
birds with one
That's
stone.
even more sad.
Yeah, that's sad.
But that water thing got to me, bro.
Have you all watched this movie called October?
No.
Even that's a really sad movie.
What's it
What?
about?
Varun Dhawan and this AP Dillon's ex in that song. You remember?
Who's AP
AP
Dillon?
Dillon's
AP
ex.
Dillon's ex.
Yeah, Tara Sutariya.
No.
No.
That
Banita.
really sweet Banita Sandhu is in
Oh.
that movie.
Banita.
With you.
With you.
Oh,
you.
with you.
yeah.
She was so
Not
cute.
with him anymore. yeah.
Very nice
Without
looking.
you.
Without her. So they're like working in a hotel or something, and then she slips from like an 8th floor or something, and she falls, and she's just in a coma. That's the whole movie. Like
Damn.
you're just waiting for her to
Bro, ruined
wake
movie
up.
in 2
अबे
seconds.
भाई 10 साल पुराना
ठीक है भाई,
देखने का तो
छोड़
देखो।
दे स्पॉइलर देने के बाद वो। ठीक है नहीं सही बात है
Really
मे बी
sad.
But what happens to such music videos, bro, now that these two are not together?
It's done. It was a moment in time. It's documented. It's over.
Does she still get paid for it?
Paid for what? One time fee रहता है भाई.
she got casted उसके बाद खत्म हो गया रहेगा ना
Does she get paid for it? जिंदगी भर पैसा देंगे क्या उसको?
That's a tough spot
Image
to
royalty.
put yourself in, na? Make a hit song and then make a hit music video with your girlfriend who
This is
then
why you
eventually is
should
not your girlfriend.
never post your girlfriend.
Facts.
You can soft launch.
How do you
मतलब
Like you
post
show
a-
her elbow.
photo of her hand?
Elbow could be anyone. Like if you're at dinner and like you're holding hands, but you're not showing her. You're showing her, and it's evidently a woman's hand.
What if she has manly hands?
No, then choose another way to soft
Choose
launch.
another girl.
body part.
Yeah.
What if she has manly hands? It seems she has hair on her
Who's that footballer who had posted a picture of his wife? And he's like, I'm going to miss these two. And then he writes her too.
Not he
writes it
didn't
over.
write that.
What had he written then?
I'm gonna miss this one, and also those two, or something like.
Yeah.
Dries Mertens.
Posted on
Dries
his tits.
Mertens is a Belgian football player. For those who are wondering.
नहीं करना चाहिए, bro. Are you for posting your girl or? I think you can post her if she's
This
also.
guy loves posting.
See, it's not about whether I like doing it or
Things are
dislike doing it.
materializing.
No, nothing like that.
Things weren't materializing.
No. Don't.
Okay.
Bark up that tree again.
These guys
But-
don't get it, bro.
Sorry.
I don't know. I like the idea of just
Posting your partner.
Yeah, I just like it.
Yeah,
but the
but
thing
very
is,
romantic.
it's
And
too.
Like I want to leave likes and comments, and I want to I want to share. Like I want to
Show you off.
even when it comes to like things
Tonight I wanna show you off.
no. There's no showing off.
What you got? A million.
No, it's the same emotion I have when I share pictures of y'all on my feed.
Hey.
I do it quite often.
He
Right?
does. He does.
but
It's just
there is
love I'm
another
feeling.
layer,
I just
bro.
want to express it.
I think.
मनोती लगती है भाई.
हाँ.
That too. Nazar लगती है bro
नजर.
लोगों की.
There's two ways of looking at that also. You can think कि oh nazar लगेगा मैं if I keep putting this out there, but then maybe you can look at it in a way where you're manifesting the reality that you want.
I look at it from a sense of privacy and also protection.
Agreed.
Where considering I'm someone
A
who
public-
shares opinions on the internet and says things that upsets people sometimes, I don't want me saying something or me doing something resulting in this girl that I'm
Her
with,
getting hate.
Yeah.
her getting called the R word.
Yeah.
So I would just protect them, and
Yeah.
also other girls won't know if I'm with someone. So
You had to go and shit on that nice thing of yours.
I take a good thing and fuck it up, bro.
इसका क्या है पागल आदमी.
He was telling me the other day also. Man, every time
Yeah.
I meet someone nice, I like this person. This person likes me. We're having a good time. I'm just thinking, how do I fuck this up?
Yeah.
You, why? Kya hai? Let's talk about
This
this.
toxic
I-
hate you have towards yourself.
You need to
which-
love yourself, man.
You need a therapist.
If I loved myself, I wouldn't be where I am.
That is very true.
That's some nonsense.
You what?
You can love yourself a little bit.
He loves himself.
I love myself more than
I think
a
he
little
loves
bit,
himself a
bro.
little too much.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, you need to stop loving yourself.
Rewind 10 seconds. It's like that. I
Nahin,
skipped
I'm
10
saying-
seconds of this video.
I'm saying like dial it back. Dial it back 20%. You'll meet kya? You've
Meet cute.
I don't know, man.
You'll have a good
I feel
time
like
with it.
when that's gonna happen, it'll happen on its own. It's nothing to be forced. I'm just chilling, going about life, doing my thing, enjoying life. Aging quite a bit, I must say. Like
All
that
of
day, I was talking to my dad, and he was like, "Listen, now if you like meet someone, don't be hesitant on taking it somewhere. You know, you're 27
Don't be too
years
shy.
Yeah, you're 27 years old now. So
every time someone says it, bro.
Yeah.
लगता है. Doesn't feel like I'm 27.
Why not?
Just doesn't.
What needs to happen for you to feel?
I don't know, but I just don't feel it.
I don't know, man. I'm 22.
you act also.
He
I
acts
act
18
I act 18.
very proudly.
Yeah.
For me, age is never something that I look at in a negative
It's not negative.
sense. It is for him.
It's not. It's not. Maybe it's
Nay, he said 27. You had a outburst where you're like, hey, don't say it. That's a negative reaction.
Because it's a reminder of where you thought you would be at 27 and you're not. So
Yeah.
it hurts you a bit.
But you're
Yeah.
in most likelihood it will never be as per that plan that you
No,
have
I'm
in
very
theory.
happy. I'm very happy.
No, I'm sure you are.
Yeah.
I just in general I feel like this is a problem people have. They're like they don't want to accept where they are in their life, or they don't want
I'll tell you where it's coming from. I was also like talking to my grandmom like a couple of weeks ago, and she's like, you know, she had like my dad when she was 15. My
Crazy.
dad had me.
There's
when
only
he
a
was-
15-year age gap between your grandmom and your dad.
15 तो नहीं हो रहेगा भाई.
तू अभी 15 बोला.
Yeah, she was 15 when
She got
had my
married
dad.
maybe.
She must have
नहीं.
gotten married at 15,
14
bro.
she got married. वो तो बाल विवाह के टाइम से है ना अभी.
That is insane.
Yeah. And my dad and my parents had me when they were 22, 23. ठीक है, and all of us are 27. And so it's like my grandmom asked me, okay, what is the अभी होने वाला है क्या?
चालू हो गया
बच्चा होने वाला है क्या? I'm like नहीं.
हाँ बच्चा तो दे सकता हूँ मैं. शादी का कुछ बात नहीं कहता हूँ मैं.
चुरा के ला सकता हूँ मैं बच्चा.
Yeah, so I'm just thinking from that. I'm like, I'm so far off of even thinking about marriage or a kid that it hurts me to tell her कि no, it's not happening anytime soon.
Do you
that's
think
the age
it's
thing.
happening?
It's going to happen at some point, but not anytime soon. Do you want one?
I don't know.
Are you going to impregnate him?
Oh, like that you mean? Like that you're asking?
I can't impregnate him. I've tried.
It's not going to
Left
work
it
like
in.
that. It's not going to work. We're going to have to find a woman.
Like that.
We're back to the shit conversation.
Look, man, I think it's okay to have expectations set for yourself, and it's also okay to not meet those expectations. But
Yeah.
as long as you're making an effort and you're working towards it, I think it's okay. I feel like, and I'm saying it with all sincerity and honesty. I think people take too much pressure on themselves. And that's okay if you can use it as a motivating factor in your life and work towards the goals that you've set for yourself. But also putting yourself down and just being upset about it isn't going to achieve
It's
much.
not even productive to
Yeah.
have those thoughts.
Fact.
Yeah.
तेरा
So-
time waste हो रहा है.
If you're feeling bad about something, get your ass up and work on it. And if you're not and you've made a habit out of feeling bad for yourself constantly,
You're an idiot.
that's going to spiral and you'll just get used to it and you'll become one of those people that people don't like having around.
Yeah, dude, I hate those people.
So
Fucking.
Boom.
so I think that's
With
that's
that, we
something-
should call it a day.
Nah, bro, I've still.
Yeah,
Go on, go. You guys have a flight to catch.
Oh yeah.
We have to.
No, I can go on, बोल रहा है.
time hai, bro.
We have 10.
I just have to start vlogging at some point. So
In the middle of an episode.
yo, what's up to another? What's up to another? one?
What's up to another?
Sorry. Yo, what's up? Welcome.
YOLO gang, what's up?
YOLO gang.
Yo, low gang.
YOLO.
Yellow gang.
Okay, wait.
YOLO gang.
Yo, welcome to another vlog. We're currently recording an episode of Untriggered. The boys are also here.
Can we record the episode also?
Oh yeah, right. We're mid episode.
We're mid-episode, yeah.
So I'll finish this up and I'll be right back.
Tell them the plan. We
We have a flight in half an hour. We're going to
Yeah.
Sri Lanka. We, matlab me and these boys.
Guess
Who's not coming? This guy. But it's okay.
I'm sad.
Yeah, I'm devastated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Assholes. Fuck you guys.
No, I'm actually going to miss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, we
Yeah.
always do. But anyway, let's finish this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I very rudely
Let's wrap
interrupted
this.
this
Yeah,
episode.
It's
Let's
fine.
wrap this up.
बीच में
Sorry guys, the bills are kind of high, man. I don't know. I have to do all these things. I have
नहीं,
to
सही है,
आधा
सब सही
एक
है।
vlog करना है, एक podcast करना है.
करना
क्या
है,
पता
करना
भाई?
है, सब करना है भाई.
Yeah.
I'm feeling like fucking
सब चाहिए.
Tanmay Bhatt in this shit, bro. Doing everything I can to stay relevant.
Even
that a shot?
Even we'll vlog in.
a shot.
Oh, it's just messing around.
Yeah.
Messy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, what else do we have to talk about?
We can talk about Sri Lanka briefly and then we can.
Sri Lanka, we don't know what's gonna
You
happen.
don't even
We're
know.
about to go there. So
yeah, but your
It's my first
Yeah.
time ever traveling internationally.
What?
Your
never
passport is
traveled.
gonna get a stamp
Gonna
on
have
its
a
Your
ass.
passport is going to lose its virginity.
Yeah, so I'm very,
Easy.
very,
Your
very
first
excited.
foreign trip is Sri Lanka.
Yeah,
Crazy, bro.
Even mine was.
There's some great
When
people
was
who.
some
When I was
Say
like,
it.
when I was a kid.
when I met her in the summer.
Crazy, man. But I'm excited.
Yeah,
I'm
bro.
excited for
मेरे को
Sri Lanka, man. I'm
घूमने जाना है बहुत टाइम
pumped.
के बाद.
Yugo is hitting all the neighboring countries first.
Hey, I'm
His
just,
first foreign trip was Nepal, now
Nepal.
Sri Lanka.
No, I had gone
Bangladesh
Nepal.
is
I've been
next.
Nepal.
I'm just a middle class boy, like making it.
Yeah, man.
मिडिल क्लास वाले आप सब
वो तो
थाईलैंड जा रहे हैं भाई.
Thailand जा रहे हैं.
अपन लोअर मिडिल क्लास है.
ठीक है, अपन अगले महीने गोवा चलते हैं.
गोवा महंगा है ब्रो.
मैं
Goa
जा
is
रहा
very
हूँ गोवा.
expensive.
I'm going. Where are you going?
I'm going on the 20th.
Oh fuck you! I'm going on the 15th.
Why are you all
How long
going
are
to
you
Goa?
I'm
He's
going
going on a
for 3
solo
days.
trip.
Solo trip.
अरे come little later no.
नहीं,
My whole
नहीं.
family is there. We'll have fun.
Introduce him to the family.
Yeah.
We'll talk about this later
ठीक है,
in
ठीक है.
private.
Later.
ठीक है?
But yeah, a lot
I'm
of fun
excited.
shit
Yeah, fun
happening.
shit is happening.
I'm really excited.
Yeah,
करो
Okay,
भाई,
boys,
तुम लोग
have
करो.
fun.
of course.
Enjoy Sri
All the
Lanka.
time.
We will enjoy.
I'm gonna be traveling a lot in India. I'm doing like so many shows.
सिलीगुड़ी जा रहा हो.
क्या क्या?
Yeah.
सिलीगुड़ी.
Crazy. But there's one thing about traveling to cities for shows is that you don't really get to see the city.
Yeah.
You only see the way from the airport to the hotel and hotel to the club.
You can take
And
a day,
club
na?
back to the.
ना ब्रो.
उसको दिलचस्पी होनी चाहिए.
दिलचस्पी की बात नहीं है ब्रो. रात को तो हेक्टिक होता है तो दिन में आराम करना होता है थोड़ा.
No, I'm not saying take the day off your gig. I'm saying take the next,
next day.
Next
But
day
then the
I'm
next
back
day you
here,
have
bro.
to be in another city, bro.
One weekend I went from Mumbai to Bhopal to Delhi, and Delhi to Kolkata to Mumbai. I did like a whole
Diamond.
You completed
Diamond.
the circuit.
I came back for 1 week. I couldn't walk, bro. After that,
Yeah, I felt sick.
I can't imagine how these DJs do like 200 shows a year and shit.
So much
Yeah,
fun,
it's
bro.
crazy.
The OG rockstars used to do it by road, bro. Used to drive.
But they would be through
Just
like
Just to drive. I'm sure they had a driver.
no.
नहीं, but उनका अलग था, bro. Like if you're doing it in somewhere in the US, it makes sense to go by road because there's
Connectivity is also
connectivity,
pretty good.
and also they have many more cities. Like in India, you can maximum do what 20 भी नहीं है, bro, where you can go and play. 20
We
maybe.
can. 20 we can.
हाँ.
20.
Just driving.
We've done
Yeah.
like 50.
Doing more than
the
20
US
this
they announced like US tour and it's like 60 dates, 60 cities. They
वहाँ पे
have
हर छोटे जगह पे भी सीन होता है ना.
हाँ.
That's the thing. यहाँ भी होता है, ऐसा नहीं है, but it's like you can't.
इंशाल्लाह हो जाएगा bro with time.
Yeah.
time तो लगेगा काफी.
Let's hope. Let's hope the roads
यहाँ
are
पे
nice.
अभी सिर्फ like मुंबई में everything is happening.
Mumbai में a lot is
We've
happening,
got
bro.
Travis Scott coming. We've got Enrique Iglesias
yeah.
coming.
I'm excited for Enrique.
They added a date also, bro, for Enrique.
Beautiful.
We've got
That's
Kevin Hart is coming.
Kevin Hart.
Later
Louis
this-
CK is coming next year.
Louis CK is coming.
I don't really care. Oh, okay.
I would love to have him.
Have him.
Have him.
We have to go watch Kevin Hart. I'm not that big on.
But कितना खर्चा होता होगा bro लोगों के लिए to go and see all these shows.
Yeah, but what are they going to spend their money on, bro? Living in Bombay.
Oh, so much
Living
more,
rent.
bro. मुंबई का
हाँ,
रेंट
but
कितना है भाई?
The people who go to watch Louis CK and Kevin Hart and go for Enrique Iglesias, they're making good
1,000 rupees we saw tickets today. 1,000 rupees. only.
1,000 में you will
We
see
shit tickets.
कहाँ से?
sitting
बाहर से?
रिक्शा स्टैंड में जो
तो
बाहर
मिलेगा
है.
खुपचे में लेकिन at least
Travis is like 15k.
Travis के 15k for a shit ticket is a bad deal I think.
No, I think it's a good ticket, 15k.
Who? Only kids are going to go watch.
I don't know, bro. Travis will be a lot of fun.
I'll not go, even if I'm.
Bro अच्छे गाने तो है काफी रेज करने लायक.
There are some
Bro,
cult
we'll-
legends song
Yeah.
on that.
I know you're going to
Astro
come.
I will
live
not go.
सुनने
You
को-
guys
You will
go
not
have
go.
fun. I will not go.
We are going to
I'm
make a clip of this.
saying this. You quote me.
You go bare
Ah,
women,
quote,
bro.
quote. Say it.
Bare women are Travis.
I don't
Scott.
give two fucks about.
You
women
used to
at
play that
Travis Scott.
song all the time, bro.
Which one?
Highest in the room.
I don't want to wake up.
No.
No.
I want you
Skeletons.
standing on the sheet.
That was Tame Impala.
हाँ, but
That's why.
फिर भी.
Okay, but you're definitely not going to come for Travis if we go.
I will not go.
Pussy so
It's just not
sweet.
worth
Free ticket भी नहीं.
100. I'll sell it if I get a ticket. I don't want.
I don't wanna wake
he
up.
himself is going to make a reel out of this. You watch.
I will not go.
You just watch. He himself is going to make a reel of this clipping.
Gave him a good
घसीट
hook.
के लेके जाएंगे.
And then it's gonna go there.
शांति से.
I will not go for
I will
Travis.
not
I don't want to go, man.
ठीक
Go
ठीक
na.
है. है, 2-3 महीना है
concert
और.
would you go for?
Enrique, I would love to go.
नहीं.
Bro, I really want to go for Weekend, bro.
He has to come,
is
but-
the artist to go watch. I feel like right
But
now.
you need good tickets for his show.
I don't give a fuck. I need to be there. I want to see that. I want to experience that music live.
Yeah, weekend.
Compare.
I probably
Taylor
would
Swift.
go. Yeah,
No.
Taylor, I would love to go. Taylor over Travis.
Taylor Swift is a
Just
concert you
saying
take a
things
girl
with
to
punch.
and then she'll love you for the rest of your life.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
that's
I
a good
wanna be
move.
loved for the rest of my life.
Yeah, so
You
that
take
is your
over
best
us.
bet.
To Taylor.
That's the best bet.
Yeah.
I guess.
Taylor Swift has to come here and you have to take a girl
Yeah,
for it.
bro, Travis, I go. I know. I can picture what I'm seeing.
Ha, picture.
15 to 20-year-old losers wearing tanks.
That's true.
And,
There will be
uh,
very vulnerable.
Just, yeah. I don't see it, man. I don't see it for me. That's not my scene. I'll just sit at home maybe.
crowd. Fiend वाले आएंगे भाई.
Oh,
Fiend goes hard in every club, bro. You've seen it.
It's overplayed and it's
I'm
it's
out.
not even a good
I'm
song.
out fiend, bro. Like
I'm out Fiend.
All this is fine, but honestly speaking, I feel like shit for missing the Himesh Reshamya concert.
Oh bhai, the videos
Yes.
look so good.
ये सब
yes,
So good.
more of like our
Indian guys,
Indian-
why aren't we going
Like
and
I want to
watching?
do a Salim Merchant concert.
We'll do it.
man. Like,
He'll though
We'll
get
do it.
us sorted also.
yeah,
Fully.
we'll do it.
all these
Remind me to get in
like
touch.
Lucky Ali and all these guys. I really want.
Oh,
to.
Lucky Ali is on
a little
tour,
old
but
now,
I think
yeah,
he's in
unfortunately.
Australia
Dude,
now.
when we were in Pune and they used to do NH7 Weekender, every year there would be like we've seen
Pentagram and
we've seen Vishal Dadlani, we've seen
we've
A.R.
met
Rahman, we've seen
Daler
Shankar
Mehndi, bro.
Mahadevan.
I saw Indian Ocean also.
Indian Ocean.
Insane.
Daler
And
was
those
there.
were the best.
Insane.
Those were the best shows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Indian artists don't get much. Fuck Travis.
They get
Watch Himesh.
all their shows are sold out only,
know,
and
I
they
know.
do tours all over the world.
But I'm talking about like us fucking
तो उनको चाहिए भी नहीं.
Western exposed people. We I feel like we shun those
people
guys.
can choose wherever they want to go.
Dude, Sunidhi Chauhan and Shreya Ghoshal had a joint show in Pune. I didn't even know.
They're not targeting us for those shows.
They
They should, but they don't.
Fucking
It's because I think the music from that time is very special, and
yeah,
it's like the crowd is thoda moving on. Now when I play a Bollywood gig, a lot of times like I'll play a banger, bro, from the 2000s, and no one knows it. It's so disappointing. Like it breaks my heart.
It's because the crowd is also younger, no?
Yeah, but there is it's like I don't know, man. Some sort of some level of nostalgia needs to be there
Yeah.
now for you to go back to.
That day I closed it with Tere Liye and everyone was loving it.
Tere Liye is still fine.
I started whistling and all. I was like, bro.
Atif Aslam
What a
show
song.
जाना है मेरे को यार.
नहीं जा पाएगा.
क्यों?
पाकिस्तानी हो.
Hate it when this happens.
I always wanted to go for like a KK show.
Hmm.
That's not happening.
That's not
I think like a who else is
Sonu
there?
Nigam can do some.
Bro, I would do a Neeraj Sridhar also.
Oh my god.
I would do a Mika Singh also. A Mika
Oh,
Singh concert
fuck
would be a party.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
Daler's concert, you remember what at NH7? Outfit changes, bro. The energy, that was too good.
Yeah, Daler.
Too good, bro. What an entertainer.
Mohit Chauhan is also on my list.
Ooh.
This Papa was performing at a school recently. My friends went for it.
Such bangers, bro. He has.
Yeah. Amit Trivedi also.
Amit Trivedi.
I'm there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who else?
Shan.
Shan.
Oh, Shan, bro.
Shan.
Sukhinder.
Fuck, man. Shan randomly pulled up at this like local
Yeah.
karaoke place in Bombay.
What do you
Felt
say?
so
Yeah,
bad.
yeah.
Like fuck.
You were not there.
No. I
Then-
heard about it.
We saw
We saw stories on a random Tuesday night. He was doing karaoke, bro.
Come on, dude.
Shan is so cool, man.
Yeah.
I love Shan.
These are the concerts I want to go for.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Hopefully soon. Touch wood.
Huh.
Chalo.
Okay, we have a flight.
Yeah, chal,
Next call.
we'll get late. I'm gonna go back to my vlog now.
I love how we went with 2 fingers.
In the meanwhile, subscribe to this channel.
Subscribe, like, guys, comment your favorite part of this episode. Tell us what you think.
Give him a kiss.
You're making it weird, yeah. No. Okay. चलो बाय.
वो ऑडियो पे कट कर दे वो करता है ना.
Are we rolling?
I think we're rolling.
Are we rolling again?
मेरे